Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Rick Fussell and this is the Ingrain Workshop. In today's video, we're going to be installing and reviewing the Lawnwind trailer ladder rack. That's coming up next here at the Ingrain Workshop. This is the Lawnwind trailer ladder / equipment rack, and I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the video description below to where you can pick that up. Now this is an adjustable rack, and it is designed to fit on enclosed trailers that have a width of 4 feet up to 7 feet. I believe my enclosed trailer is roughly 5 feet wide, so this is going to work out for me. This rack is designed to transport and store ladders and other items such as pipes, conduits, gutters, and more on top of an enclosed trailer. It has a lot of adjustability, so it can be custom configured to fit your needs. There are 6 positions for the crossbar height, and it can be mounted, like I mentioned, on an enclosed trailer up to 7 feet wide or on a flat roof of a truck or van. The crossbar section also has an offset mount, and it can be aimed up or down, so you can actually pick the location for your crossbar and which mounting holes on the upright that works best for your needs. So it gives you a total of 6 different positions for the height of the actual crossbar, which is really convenient. Included are 4 uprights, and on the 4 uprights you have 6 different mounting hole locations for the crossbar. And then down at the bottom of the upright you have 4 mounting locations for the upright in both a flat roof and a side enclosed trailer application. Also included are instructions and then all your hardware, mounting hardware for the uprights and the crossbar. And here are the crossbars with the offset that I had mentioned earlier, which allows you a total of 6 different mounting height locations. I'm going to start here by just laying out the location of the crossbar upright sections, and you can see here I'm laying it out on the top of the trailer. There is a metal tubing frame that goes around the top of the inside of the trailer. So once I determine the location, I'm just going to lay out the holes for the upright section, and then take a punch and punch the aluminum on the side of the trailer so I'll know where to drill my hole locations, and then I'll drill those out, and there will be 4 hole locations for each upright section. So keep in mind while you're drilling these out, you are having to drill through the aluminum side of the enclosed trailer and then through that metal tubing on the inside of the trailer. I found it easier to start with a smaller diameter drill bit and then put a larger drill bit in, and that just seemed to be easier for me to drill these holes. So to secure the upright to the trailer, these are going to be stainless steel self-tapping screws, 1 3/4. They will go through the aluminum here on the exterior of the trailer and then into the metal tubing on the inside of the trailer. I think I made my holes about 1/16 of an inch smaller to allow for the threads and the self-tapping of the screw to penetrate the tubing on the inside of the trailer. With the holes drilled, I'll use the 4 stainless steel self-tapping screws to fasten the upright to the side of the trailer. And prior to securing the screw to the trailer, I did run a bead of silicone caulk around the threads just to make sure that it's sealed once it does penetrate the enclosed trailer. After that, I'll repeat the process for the other 3 uprights on the trailer. So as you can see here, I used the mounting holes on the side of the angle iron to mount it to my enclosure, but there are also 4 holes on the bottom side of the angle iron that you can use if you're going to install it on a flat roof of a truck or a van. Next, I'll start installing the crossbar with the 2.5-inch bolts that were provided. Now, the crossbar comes in 2 sections because it's adjustable. There's a male and a female section, and it doesn't matter which one you really install first. But I did decide to install the crossbar with the offset facing up. That way I could get it to the lowest point. I wanted the crossbar to be as close to the top of my trailer as possible. I thought that that would just make it more sturdy and allow me to keep the loads tighter to the trailer. Now I'm going to install the male crossbar on the other side of the trailer. And again, the male crossbar just slides inside the female one that I've already installed. And this is so you can adjust the width from 4 feet to 7 feet. Like I had mentioned earlier, I think my trailer is approximately 5 feet wide. And again, I'm installing it with the offset in the crossbar facing up. That way it can be at the lowest point to the top of my trailer. And again, that's just personal preference. You can see here that the 2.5-inch bolts are installed. And as you can see, the offset is facing up. Now, I don't have these tightened all the way down because I do need to plumb the uprights on both sides. And once I get the uprights plumbed, and you can see I have a magnetic torpedo level on the upright. Once we've got them plumbed, there are 2 holes in the center of the crossbar that you have to pre-drill and drill those holes out. Once you get those holes drilled out, then you can install some 1 3/4-inch bolts that came with the rack. So these are the 2 holes in the crossbar that I had to drill out. Now the holes on the female bar were already pre-drilled from the factory. So the only thing you have to drill out is the holes on the male portion of the crossbar. And again, that's simply because it's adjustable to fit anywhere from a 4-foot to a 7-foot wide vehicle or trailer. So then once I got those drilled out, I've inserted the 1 3/4-inch nuts and bolts, and we'll go ahead and fasten the crossbar. Once I'm done here, I'll repeat this process for the other crossbar, and then that's it. We're done. Well, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please leave it a thumbs up. I'll leave links in the video description below to where you can pick up this trailer ladder rack. If you're new to the channel and you like DIY and woodworking projects, then I highly recommend that you smash that subscribe button. It's free and painless, and I also ask that you ring that bell icon. That way you'll be notified of all our upcoming videos. To all my existing subscribers, I really appreciate all the support you've given this channel. I'm Rick with the Ingrain Workshop. Until next time, have a wonderful day and God bless.